Today I'm just going to do a little quickie on what I use to spread my glue on my wood, my timber. Just go through the type of glue that I use. Generally I've used resin Tite or Cascamite, which is a powdered resin glue, which I would mix with water. This is my preferred glue. I've got the hang of it now. Been using it for the last few years. Before, for basic woodworking stuff that they can go outside, etc., I would use this stuff, or Gorilla Glue, or Titebond, or any of those. But generally speaking, I use the powdered resin wood glue. What I use for my spreading is my roller, and all this is a wallpaper roller. You know, when you get the joins on your wallpaper and you've got to roll them down so they meet tight, so they squish back to the adhesive, you'd use a wallpaper roller, so you up and down your wallpaper. Well, I've been using it for spreading my glue. Originally I was using it without this on. Now this is a piece of Innertube, and all what's happening is the glue was building up over a period of time, and then it made the roller useless, to throw it away. Well, what I've been doing now is I've been using bicycle Innertube and stretching it over the roller, and effectively once it gets to a point where you can't really use it anymore, I just take it off, cut another piece of bicycle Innertube, stretch it over, and then we're away again. Well, I find it really good. It works really, really well, and all I have to do is I apply my glue with my stick or spatula or whatever I'm going to use, and grab my roller, and it gives me a really nice even coverage just by rolling back and forwards like that. And it's reasonably quick. It's better with a new rubber on, obviously, because you get the little bit lumps of glue and little bits of wood, what have you, sticking to the roller over a period of time. So when you get like that, you obviously just change the rubber. So there you have it. You have fairly even coverage at that point. I can't see a dry bit there. If you want even coverage of glue, or some people might just want to rely on the glue just squeezing to wherever it needs to go. But I'm always worried it's going to be a void somewhere, especially if you're doing laminating. But yeah, this works really well for me. So yeah, it's just a paint roller, not a paint roller, sorry. It's just a wallpaper joint roller, and with a piece of Innertube on it. It's that simple. So I hope you found that of interest and might help somebody out there. If you'd be most kind, and give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. I'd be really, really grateful. Thank you. Anyway, there you go.